If you have following messages on your screen and your PC will not boot and you need to get your files out of your computer before reinstalling Windows operating system on it, I'll show you a quick and easy way how to get your files from your PC that will not boot. First thing you need to do, you need to go to ubuntu.com, and I will put all links in the description below. Then you need to click on download, and you need to download Ubuntu desktop. I will download 19.04. Click on it. It's gonna take you to this screen, and in this pop-up box, click OK. I'm not gonna download because I already downloaded before. And then you'll need a second program, Rufus. Scroll down and download. I usually use Rufus Portable. And then click save. I already downloaded, so I'm not gonna save it. Also, you will need 2 flash drives for it. One of them to install Ubuntu on it, and the second one to save your files. So once you downloaded both files, go to your downloads and double click on Rufus. Then insert your flash drive into your computer. Then it's gonna recognize your device. Select it, this is my flash drive. Then click over here, select. And then select your Ubuntu file, the one you downloaded, and click open. And right here, leave all the settings at the default, and then click start. And then click OK in this pop-up box. And in this one, it's just gonna tell you that all of your files will be deleted or destroyed. Click OK one more time. And it's creating bootable flash drive right now with Ubuntu on it. Once it's done, click close and right click on your flash drive and eject. And now you can pull your USB out. Insert your flash drive into your computer, the one will not boot, and power your computer on. And while it's powering on, click on F12. And this will take us into a boot menu. And right here, we need to choose a USB storage device and click enter. And on this screen, click try Ubuntu. When it's gonna start up, you need to insert your second flash drive to the one that you're gonna save your data. You need to click on files. And then you need to click on other locations. This is the hard drive for my computer. Double click on it and then double click on users. And then on your profile, this is mine, yours is probably gonna call something else. And then right here, you can get the data from desktop, documents, downloads, favorites, music, videos, and pictures. I have some files on a desktop that I need to save, so I'm gonna right click on it and I'm gonna select copy to, and then this Windows pop-up right here. This is the flash drive that I just put it in. I'm gonna click on it and I'm gonna click select. And now it's copying my data, and right here, there's a progress bar. You can see after you save your data, you can close this and you can right click on this arrow, and now you can shut down your system. And that's how easy it was to recover your file from the computer that will not boot into Windows. And now you can reinstall your operation system. And I already made a video about it, and I'll put a link in the description below. Thanks for watching.